CNC tube bending machine. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe. CNC tube bending machine. Computer numerical controlled, CNC, benders produce tight radius bends, large radius bends, and elliptical bends, all on the same part. They are sophisticated machines that guarantee a high level of productivity and reproducibility. CNC benders are used for creating complex tubular parts because they can manipulate the tube automatically and position it with precision. How does a CNC tube bending work? CNC refers to computer numerical control. A CNC tube bending machine works well with a computer to control the mechanical parts and hydraulic system. The machine guarantees constant bending and exact dimensions. It additionally eliminates any confusion surrounding bending techniques every time. In a CNC tube bending machine, 5 principal components play a big part in clean, precise bending. The bend die is a round part that decides the radius of the bend. Clamp die, a clamp that helps the bend dies, gripping the tube as the bend die rotates. Wipered dies, a perishable part that stops wrinkles on the bend's inside area. Interlock mandrel, a perishable part that works with the wiper die to prevent wrinkles inside the bend. Pressure die, a significant part that applies the necessary pressure required to the tube to bend it accurately. All of these works together to accomplish the perfect bend according to the computer's specs. What can a CNC tube bender do? We have a thorough CNC tube bender guide for download, which is specific on the capabilities of our CNC tube bender, but highlights of our machine include: producing quality bends, with an accuracy of 0.005 to 0.010. Bends 1 part per minute, much faster than manual bending. Automatic mandrel lubrication for better lubricant control, resulting in optimal mandrel bends. Environmentally friendly solution for a variety of bending projects. 3D designs can be imported, eliminating the need for a perfectly engineered, time-consuming drawing. Benefits of modern CNC tube bending. Tube bending technology is rapidly evolving, and we've reached a point where CNC tube bending machines have crossed manual tube bending in so many ways. For example, it's more precise and more reliable than manual bending. Fully automated. Capable of enlisting the correct tooling techniques every time. It's affordable. CNC tube bender uses. CNC tube benders can be used to perform bends for a huge variety of applications. We already discussed some of the automotive applications, but there are many uses and applications for CNC tube benders including shipbuilding, trucking, heaving industry, manufacturing equipment, consumer goods, like workout equipment and furniture. This is just a small sample of a CNC tube bender uses. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.